Ladies and gentlemen, looking for an online code editor may not be the easiest thing because of all the options available. Today we're going to have a look at 4 of the best in the category. This may include Replit, Codesandbox. We're also going to have a look at Bolt, and we're going to have a look at Loveable. We want to know what they actually offer and why you should be actually using them. So let's check them out. You can see over here we are now jumping into Replit, and Replit is a cloud development. It offers an instant environment, so you can actually start coding immediately with 0 setup time. That really helps to save on unnecessary wasted time. You can access work from any device as long as you have an internet connection. It supports multiple languages, so you can actually develop in over 50 programming languages straight out of the box. You can switch between languages seamlessly as well, which will auto switch from language to language. And you can actually code together with team members in real time. It has fantastic functionality in this section. You can share fork projects within the community as well. This offers live editing, integrated chat, and permission controls all in one space. You can see over here as well, some of the key features is the more than 50 programming languages that are supported. Also, educators using Replit for classroom instructions. This is also fantastic. And then there are more than 10 million users. It combines very, very powerful developer tools with classroom management features. You can actually also track student progress while you can leverage the AI assistance. The last thing that we're going to have a look here is the smart completions. You can actually get intelligent code suggestions as you type. This, of course, will reduce errors as well as speed up your development time. It has automated debugging. It also allows you to access learning resources, and you can train custom AI models, which is fantastic. This means you can personalize your entire experience. Okay, so we're looking at Codesandbox now. So Codesandbox is revolutionizing development workflows by providing instant ready-to-code environments which are directly in your browser. With support from dozens of frameworks and pre-installed libraries, you can actually launch your project immediately using built-in templates, or you can even import existing repositories. So you can actually start coding immediately with no setup required. This allows you to choose from dozens of those templates, and then the option to also import your own repositories. You can build on VS Code for the web, offering a familiar editor experience with extensions and features that you already know, so there won't be any learning curve. And you can also run code directly in the browser or scale up to VM environments for more demanding projects or bigger workloads. Codesandbox also transforms coding from a solitary activity into a collaborative experience with Google Docs style editing. Multiple developers can now work on the same codebase, simultaneously seeing changes in real time. You can also share your work as a simple and you can send a link, making it perfect for code reviews, teaching, pair programming sessions, and a bunch more. The platform's Classroom mode supports more than 30 participants with granular permission controls, and you can have GitHub integrations which will streamline your team's workflows. It also allows direct forking, pulling requests, and branch management without actually leaving Codesandbox environment. You can also see over here some of their use cases and flexibility. Sandboxed environments provide secure code interpretation and testing, isolating potential harmful code execution. And then also the Codesandbox SDK enables parallel development environment for AI agents, CI/CD pipelines, and advanced code interpretation. You can choose browser sandboxes for quick prototyping, or even VM sandboxes for full-scale applications with complex dependencies, as we mentioned earlier on. And you can see that it seamlessly integrates with NPM, supporting both public and private packages. And with cloud-based storage, your development environment follows you across devices, enabling a true work from anywhere flexibility. If you are a developer, Bolt is fantastic. It's got a couple awesome AI-powered features. So it actually transforms coding with AI-powered assistance. There's no setup required. It generates full-stack applications through simple prompts. And you can build with React, Next.js, a ton more, all within your browser. You can see over here as well, some of their key features is their manual editing. So you can actually modify AI generated code directly in your browser IDE. This, of course, is amazing. It gives you full control. You can install NPM packages and configure backends as well quite seamlessly. And it connects to Supabase and other databases with ease. It also has a one-click deployment, so you can actually deploy to Netlifty, and you can share demos via a URL instantly. Okay, so let's jump into Loveable now. So Loveable actually offers rapid prototyping, user-friendly interfaces, speed up your design process. Also, it has a team workspace which enhances project coordination. It also offers a fantastic template library. This gives you customizable components which accelerate your creation, and it is designed to code, so it automatically converts your designs into working code. The other thing is the workflow optimization. So it simplifies the review cycles with automated approval workflows, and you can also save hours on each design iteration. Also, there's version control. So you can actually track design history with comprehensive versioning, and then also you can compare your changes across all of those versions. It has automated style guides as well, which allow you to implement consistent branding across all of your designs. And this helps you to just make changes to all of the connected components. The last thing here is their design tool integration. So you can actually integrate Figma, Adobe XD, and you can also integrate sketch files. It has a developer handoff, so it's CSS specification. You can export that, component documentation, as well as asset optimization. And then it does have API connections, which helps you also to make sure that everything is happening in one place. All right, now, ladies and gentlemen, as I always say, make sure that you're using these products and testing them with your own circumstances, your own scenarios, and figuring out which one works best. If this was helpful, drop us a like. We'll see you next time.